Good morning, children. Welcome back. This is your English online class for Standard 5. Children, we are going to see some facts about the month of August, right? Every month has some significance. Even our names have some reasons. Have you ever wondered what is the meaning of your name? Is there any reason behind the name, right? Check with your parents. Now, let's see the facts about the month August. Here is the first one. Look here. The month of August is named after Augustus Caesar, who was also known as Octavian, was the first emperor of ancient Rome. Okay, look at the picture. Here is Augustus Caesar. This is very interesting and beautiful, children. Look here. The official flower for August is the gladius, means sword. Gladius is the name of the flower. Look how beautiful the flower looks. Yes. If you are going to pick one bunch, like it is stick in the grass, is it not? Blade of grass. Can you see the structure? If you want, you can pluck one blade and it looks like a sword. Look here, children. Who's here? Who discovered America? Yes, Christopher Columbus. In August 3rd, 1492, Columbus set sail on his first voyage to Canary Islands. He traveled through ship to Canary Islands. After this only he discovered America. Okay. Children, now tell me, when did we get independence? When did India become independent? Right? Are you telling? Yes, August 15th. Look here, there are two more countries along with India, Pakistan and Jamaica. They also gained independence from Britain only in the month of August. Can you see the map? India, Pakistan, Jamaica. Children, there are so many historical events and interesting events happened in the month of August. One more thing I want to say here is 1936, BBC transmitted the first high definition television pictures in 1936. You know, it's very interesting. This also happened in the month of August. Okay, now let's get into the lesson. You please take your course book, lesson number 3, colorful shoes. Children, open page number 49. What is the exercise you have there? Yes, spelling. Very good. Um, what do you think about spelling? Is it really easy for you to write spellings, correct spellings? Yes? Yes, I know you're all strong in writing spellings, but then some places for some words we make errors because of the difficulty in the word. Or in case if the word is little bit bigger, you might find it difficult to write the spelling. Or you might even get some confusion because of the pronunciation of the word, right? So this exercise is going to help us to solve the problem. Let's see what is that. Spelling. I-E or E-I. This is really a confusion only. Look here. Say these words aloud. I-E or E-I. Check here. Now we are going to read these words loudly along with me. Right? Ready? Be attentive, children. Come on, start. Shield, knees, peace, thief, receive, ceiling. Notice again, shield. What sound do you get here? E. Yes, E sound. Next one, knees. What sound? Again, E sound. Next, peace. What is the sound? E. Next, thief. Same. E sound. Receive. E sound. Ceiling. E sound. Yes. All these words have the same E sound, but look at the spelling. Is there any difference in the spelling? Look here, shield, you have IE. In knees, you have IE. In peace, you have IE. In thief, you have IE. In receive, you have EI. It is different. And ceiling also, you have EI. Though the spellings are different, EI or EI or IE, the sound remains the same. Now, notice that the letters IE and EI make the same sound E. So, this causes confusion when spelling words with these letters. Okay. So, how are we going to solve this problem? Here is a simple rhyme to help you remember. I before E except after C. This is the rhyme. Sing all of you. I before E except after C. Right? How is this applied? Let's see the words here. Look here. Can you see the letter C in receive? And can you see the letter C in ceiling? Yeah. Just because you have C, you are not writing IE. You have to write EI, EI. Why? Because there is the letter C. But check in the remaining letters, remaining words, there is no C. That's all. Here the rule ends. If you have C, you have to write EI. If there is no C, you have to write only IE. However, we have to be strong with the spellings. Okay, children? Now, let's say the rhyme one more time. I before E except after C. Repeat. I before E except after C. Look here. The first column is about I before E. That is words with IE. There is no C here at all. Yes, can you see there is no C before IE for all these words. Okay. Now, let's read these words aloud. Read along with me, children. Be attentive. Start reading. Achieve, believe, cashier, chief, field, grieve, relieved, shriek, tire, yield. See the next column. Except after C. We are going to use E, I. Look at all the words. You have E, I, E, I, E, I. But before that you have C. Okay. Now, let's read this word aloud along with me. Okay. Start. Ceiling, conceit, conceived, deceit, deceive, inconceivable, perceive, receipt, receive, transceiver. Okay. Now, children, you know how to use IE. I mean, where to use IE and where to use EI. The topic says I before E except after C with some exceptions. Let's see the exceptions. Okay. Now, again, let's say the rhyme. I before E except after C with some exceptions. Right? Look at the exceptional words. According to the rhyme, according to the rule, if you have C, immediately after C, we have to use EI. If there is no C, we have to use IE. Now, look here. Do you see the letter C anywhere here in these words? No. If there is no C, we have to use IE according to the rule. But these words are all exceptionals. Can you see? You have EI here. E-I, 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 E-I. Right? Now let's read the words aloud. Neighbor, wait, hide, weird, vain, seize. Okay. Children, look here. According to the rule, if there is C, if there is letter C, we have to use E, I. Right? Now, can you see the difference in all these words? Yes. In all these words, you have C, but after C, what is written here? I, E, which is not in the rule. So, these are all exceptional words. Shall we read out? Yes. Read along with me. Pay attention, children. Ancient, deficient, science, society, policies, efficient, glacier, right? We have so many words like this. Okay, children, now let's do the exercise which is on page number 50, right? Are you ready in page number 50 with pencil? Yes. Now, fill in the blanks in the words below with IE or EI. Remember to look out for the letter before the E sound. This exercise is going to be very easy because we're going to follow only two rules. There is no exceptional cases here. Okay. Rule number 1. If you have C, you have to use EI, right? If there is no C, you're going to use IE. That's all. Easy. Easy, right? Yeah. Let's do. Ready with pencil? First one. Just check out and tell me what is the missing letter which you have to write. Yeah. What is that? I-E. Very good, because there is no C before the dash. Are you writing? Yes, right now itself. Second one. Same. There is no letter C. So the answer is IE. Very good. Let's go to the third one. Do you see the letter C here? No. So the answer is IE. Fourth one. Do you see letter C before the dash? No. You have only H. So the answer is IE. Very good. Fifth one. Check. Do you see the letter C? Yes. So your answer is EI. That's all. Very simple. And now, sixth one. What is the answer? You have letter C. Very good, children. The answer is EI. Have you finished writing now itself? Yes. Have you written? Okay. Now, let's read the words aloud. The first one is field. Next, diesel. Very good. Next, belief. Good. Next, chief. Very good, children. What is the next one? Deceive. Good. Last one is receipt. Good, children. Okay. Now, I think you understood the rules, right? Very good, children.